YouTube is not recommending your videos, or YouTube has stopped recommending your videos because you have not turned on the rightful features. Hi my lovely people, how you guys doing? I hope you guys are okay. So in today's video, I'm going to expose to you guys the top secret things you have to go now. Like, go sharply after you see this video, or when this video come across you, just rush and hurry to your creator studio on your desktop version, like using your Android phone. Go and turn these features on and start getting views or start getting recommended by YouTube. Yes, do not doubt me. Please watch this video till the end. All right, my name remains your popular girl, Nurse Chacha Family TV. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Turn on your notification bell and subscribe to my channel so that anytime I upload new videos, you will be the first person to get notified. Yeah. So guys, this secret thing I talked about, turning on your For You section, and some people are like, they have turned on their For You section and it has not started working for them. Like I said on my For You section settings, that after turning them on, that I'm still going to come back and show you guys some certain features that you are going to still turn on your YouTube studio and start getting views. As you guys can see, I'm also a new YouTuber. Now when you watch my channel, you can see the massive views I'm getting on my videos. Most of my videos are being recommended in higher places, in countries that I have not even expected. So guys, if you do this particular thing I'm going to show you, you are going to get massive results. Oh yeah, let's dive in, no wasting time. So guys, the first thing we are going to do here is to go to Chrome browser on our Android phone or desktop. So we are going to type in studio.youtube.com. all right, this is desktop version. You choose the first one, which is studio.youtube.com, the first option. It will automatically open. Let's wait for it to download and then open. So we are waiting. So it will open. Your interface will be like this. So the next thing you're going to do is you can zoom it to any level you want so that you can see all your settings. So you go to this place, customization. All right, customization. Sorry guys, the place you're going to go first is customization, this particular place. Okay, so it will open like this. Please go to your home tab. As you guys can see on my home tab, these are the settings that I have done on this channel, and all these things are the videos that I put out there that YouTube is currently recommending. Okay, so you look by the left hand side, you will see where they write add section. By the left hand side, add section. So because I've added all my sections, so now I'm going to remove some for teaching sake, so that I can be able to teach you guys what to do. You know, I have to remove some sections that I've already put here, so that I can be able to teach you guys how to, you know, what you are going to do for your own videos to be recommended. Now I will remove this playlist For You section. I'll remove it so that my add section will appear again. So I click on my add section. You guys can see all the videos that I've added for You section. Okay, I've added my channel playlist, I've added channel trailer, I've added videos, I've added, you know, all these videos are currently being recommended by YouTube one after the other. So in this add section, make sure you add all, like your video, your playlist, anyone you add, you come back and click on add section and add the following one. If you add this one, you go back to add section. This is what you're going to do until you achieve all your add section. So the next thing you're going to do is to click on this content and select one content you know that is good for viewers. You tap on it. Like, let me use this one for example. I tap on this content. Okay, so I'm going to add end screen. This end screen helps your viewers to choose the next video they are going to watch, or it will help YouTube to select the next video for your viewers. So when I click it, I click on add elements, then I click on elements and choose video that I want YouTube to recommend for me. I choose video, then I click on elements again and add subscribers, so that people will also see subscription at the end of your video after watching your videos. Okay, so you click on save and then save it. Then the next thing you're going to do is to go to cards, click on cards, and then add your video that you want YouTube to recommend. Click on add. When you add it, you can use your hand to choose like how many minutes you want the cards to display on your video. Like when you're watching someone's video, you will see some card playing by the side of the video saying go and watch this particular video, go and watch this particular video. All these things, all these setup are very, very necessary. When you add them finish, you then click on save. Make sure you save it, then tap on done. When you click on done, you are done. So as you guys can see, this is my channel, my new channel. But as you guys can see, all my videos are getting views, because there are some people that doesn't even have 1 view, 2 views on their new channel. You know, look at 50,000 views, 20,000 views, 1,300, 2,600. That is, as in, my channel is doing well. So guys, I hope this video helped everybody out there. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and come back for more updates.